Hi lovelies, you are welcome back to my channel. If you are new on this channel, please press the subscribe button and also the notification button so you get to know when I post a video and be the first to comment. Now, if you are not new, thank you for coming back. I am grateful. Thank you for the subscription. I am grateful also. Now, my name is Emmanuel Ihoma Ella. I'm a Nigerian registered nurse and also an applied biochemist. Of course, I'm your healthy lifestyle coach, your healthy lifestyle addict, like everything weight loss, everything healthy living, everything staying fit and all that. I do help you to improve your health and make healthy lifestyle choices. Okay, so you are most welcome to my channel. So today I chose to talk about feminine hygiene. You know, a lot of things are going on right now and in the life of every woman or lady, and sometimes we tend to forget the little things we are supposed to really take care of, especially our health. Now, talking about the feminine health, we want to emphasize on how do you take care of your body as a woman. Now I'm going to lay my emphasis on hygiene, personal hygiene. For those of the women who are married, you have a lot of responsibilities here, we understand, but then you shouldn't forget to take care of yourself too, even while you take care of the home. Okay, from the head, most women carry a particular hair for months without even remembering that they need to wash it or change it or take care of their hair. They carry their hair for as long as 2 months, 3 months, one particular hair without even washing it for one day. Now that is not correct. Okay, unless you made something like dreadlocks that you can carry for that long, but then even if you made a dreadlocks, you're supposed to be washing your dreadlocks. And then if it's just a normal with one hair that you fixed, you're supposed to wash your hair from time to time to dictate if there's any abnormality, if there's lice infestation on your hair. And then don't let people remind you that your hair is smelling. We sweat, there are pores, sweat pores on the hair, so you are bound to sweat on your hair. So that means you're supposed to wash it from time to time to prevent odor. When someone reminds you that your hair is smelling, that means you're not doing just well. Okay, so no matter how busy we get, let's not forget to take care of our hair, because when you appear before someone, the first place they actually look at is your face. Before someone can go down to looking at your leg, you must have had that experience. Okay, so that tells you how important it is to take care of our hair. You must not fix a very expensive hair to look good. Just take care of the little you have. If you cannot afford probably a human hair, make do with synthetic, but make sure you wash your hair, you take care of your hair, groom your hair. Even if you are carrying your natural hair, please always groom your hair, comb it, rub, use hair cream, good hair creams, and always take care of your hair. Okay, have you heard about using shea butter on your hair? It's actually very nice. Using shea butter instead of all these chemicals is actually more encouraging. Now that's that about hair. Coming down to your face, a lot of people must have told you that it's not good to use soap in washing your face. Yes, I agree to that, even though sometimes I'm guilty, but then you don't even need soap on your face. Just use your cleanser and of course clean water to wash your face even when you're bathing. Okay, now when you want to brush your mouth, a lot of women have lost it when it comes to their mouth hygiene, oral hygiene. A lot of women have lost it. A lot of women find it difficult to take care of their mouth very well. You see some married women, even single women, who can even take care of their mouths very well. You see someone who eats garlic in the night and in the morning you forget to brush, or you don't brush properly and you move out to interact with people. Hey, you just have to stop that. Okay, now when you wash your mouth, a lot of us wash our mouth. Yeah, quite alright, we wash our mouth, we brush our teeth, but we forget the tongue. The tongue is actually very essential too. Now when you finish brushing your upper teeth and your lower teeth, is very advisable that you also brush your tongue. Very important. Now when you don't brush, you make microorganisms start, things start happening in your mouth, and eventually your mouth start producing odor. very, very offensive. So make sure as a woman you are taking care of your mouth properly. Now coming down to your body, the first place I want to talk about is our armpit. A lot of people forget that we sweat in our armpit. A lot of women feel that because they have probably they're already noticing odor from their armpit, they want to use body spray, they want to use roll-on to cover it up. Hey, you just have to stop that. When you bath very, very well with clean water, you don't even necessarily need a deodorant because you are bathing well, and it's encouraged that every woman should bath at least twice a day, at least minimum of twice a day. That's very important. Okay, and then when you bath, make sure you pay attention to your armpit and your under breast. Women who have bigger breasts, it's very important that you pay attention to your under breast because it will you some people neglect the fact that we sweat under our breast too, and before you know that place start producing odor. Your armpit too, very, very important. If you're looking for a good roll-on to use, make sure you use the ones that dry the sweat, that not necessarily liquid deodorant. I prefer to use Shaw Men or Arizona Men. It's actually a very nice deodorant if you must use a deodorant. But I feel that if you bath well, you don't necessarily even need a deodorant. But to smell nice, you just have to use good deodorant. I recommend Shaw Men or Arizona Men. Perfect. Now, coming down to our private part, which is the most important asset in a woman's body. Now, how do you take care of your private part? A lot of women are missing it when it comes to washing of the vagina and taking care of your private part. You can see a woman who is menstruating and changes her pad just once in a day. Oh God, how do you cope? I mean, personally, don't you feel the odor coming from there? I encourage you, if you're among the people who use one pad in a full day, please stop. No matter how light your period is, make sure you change your pad at least twice a day or more. Personally, I change my pad 4 times in a day. I don't care, especially the first 2-3 days. It's not like it's very, 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 very it's not a heavy flow, but then I just love to smell nice. I just love to feel nice. So if you are the kind of woman that use one pad in a day, you're not getting it right. So make sure you work on that, and make sure you bath very, very well when you are menstruating. Okay, now how do you wash your vagina? Do you know that there are normal floras that are in the vagina? They are not causing any infection, they are not causing any reaction on our vagina, but they are just there for protection. And the moment you introduce a chemical product like soap into your vagina, you are messing the activity up. Do you know? Okay, now I'm telling you, there are normal flora in the vagina that don't need interference, that don't need disturbance. So you just leave them there the way they are. And how can you leave them there? By using just water to wash your vagina. Yes, your vagina is supposed to be your most important asset. Yes, because once it starts smelling, you personally will feel uncomfortable within yourself, and then of course boo is going to complain. So you don't have to wait for boo to complain. You have to take care of your body before anybody else tells you to. Alright, so wash your vagina thoroughly with only water, clean water, clean water. Stop using soap on your vagina. It's not encouraging. Okay, so make sure you bath very well, and I prefer to bath there first before I bath my whole body. Okay, so do the right thing and make sure you smell nice at all times. If you're already perceiving that probably you have body odor, please don't use deodorant to cover it. If you're the type that sweat a lot, don't use deodorant, don't use perfumes to cover it up. You have to bath well first. When you bath well, then you work on your diet. There are some things that we eat that makes us have odor. If you cannot eat, when you notice that when you eat garlic, no matter how spicy the food is, when you eat garlic, it comes out even in your sweat, like you can perceive it on your body. All right, so now when you eat such kind of food, make sure you bath thoroughly. Make sure you bath thoroughly. And then I also used to tell people that it's not every soap you use on your skin. You see, this is supposed to be the second most valuable asset in a person's life, because even at old age this thing will be there telling. Even when probably you are a woman, you have stopped giving birth, your skin still represents you. So you see why you need to, maintain your skin, and don't damage your skin before your time. So now you see you are supposed to take care of your body. All right. So that's that on feminine hygiene. And Did I forget one more thing? Your panties. Now, what kind of pants do you wear? A lot of people, because nylon pants are usually sexy and all of that, they love nylon pants. Hey, can you try using a cotton pant? You know why? Cotton pant has the ability of absorbing the sweat, the moisture that comes out from your private part. It will dry it off and thereby preventing odor. Can't you see you need a cotton pant instead of that sexy nylon pant? Can't you see? And then in the night, I do encourage people. There's no need wearing pants. You've worn panty for from morning till night. Then of course in the night you're supposed to allow air to enter your vagina, enter that place, because that place is always closed. It's always like this. Wearing pants, closing legs, trying to just package yourself. Then eventually in the night you're supposed to free it. Let air touch it. A lot of people are now going to get uncomfortable about this, but that's my personal assertion anyway. And I know a lot of people will also want to try it. I don't wear panties in the night. It's not important unless I'm at work or unless I'm somewhere outside my home. So once in a while you have to allow air to enter that place and touch that place, let it have a fresh smell. Now when you are ovulating, do you notice that there is discharge? Do not smelly, do not dirty discharge, normal ovulation discharge. That's why you need to change your panties from time, at least twice in a day, because it stains the panty. That's how some people get to know that they are even ovulating, that sticky thing that comes out. Yeah. So when you are either ovulating or menstruating yourself. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and please stay tuned as I carry you on this journey. Do you have any health related question? Ask me your questions at the comment section. I will answer you all. Once again, if you're having difficulty in weight loss, consult me. I'm a specialist in that. And then of course, if you're trying to conceive and you are obese or overweight, please work on your weight. Okay, don't forget to share this video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm actually new on YouTube. Please help you. See you in my next